Office Jong District Mission Coordinator SSA Southwest Kasils District Mentagasngi Kalapanlong Ikajan Bhagidari Events and Activities in Schools Halor Kilaitli Kipang Kabalapanlong Nakabanta Kikna School Bat Kumjuro Yakinong Hikai Hakabalapanlong Haka Hall Jonga Maharam Government Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat Baduba T Langwa IES Deputy Commissioner Southwest Kasils District Ulalong Ukongsan Gilaitli kipang bagi kena school bat kinong hikai galayo bane shimbanta shirham gilong ka storytelling arts and craft competition bat teacher learning material exhibition competition hakaba kathong bakong san jong kani program kalong ban penslori ki kena school bakin sei bat pen paw yala ki sap ki pong bakidon amtang hapo ki school baki puli hanrai wat shabar ladador jingekop bat bakinong hikai haki school ki day kita kinong aibod hagani kasngi la yo ru e gijing thuk hana langkot ni ka storytelling na ka miss joyful in langdo bat na jason bat penbot da gijing sam ki kusnam kinong job haka arts and craft competition
program dari principal dan ni program di regional CPA mulai lapor banyak judge yang prize yang exhibition. So I'm very happy to see the quality of work that the students have made. I did not expect that we will come up to such a level which is quite outstanding and very impressive. I encourage all of you to continue your efforts to do good in your studies, to excel in your studies, and also to exhibit your talents. Kembali pada itu yang kaitannya dengan talent dan kemampuan dan survey. Bagaimana we have to help each other so that we become good citizens of this country. I would like to tell you one thing that I have seen during the exhibition about the preparation of tissue papers. Instead of using plastic, we should encourage people to use paper because in the world now, in a single minute, in every single minute, people are using about 1 million bottles. 1 million bottles in a minute. Can you imagine the use of plastic bottles in the world in each year, which is very, very alarming. And itu juga penerkam dari plastic botol sohar bapang dari bagian kedua apa fikir dari wajib penerkam mandi dari di barang apa bitar dari plastik. But getting more in plastic, the nature of the world is not with plastic. They can't allow them to deny the plastic. You may encourage the creation one key below. You may run and the water bottle and you sell. We plant back in here the water bottle to use from time to time. So I will not speak much because I know that the students are eager to receive the award, the prizes which they have worked hard to achieve, and they are looking forward to receive your prizes. So I will not speak much. I only want to encourage you. I only want to request you to be concerned about environment, to tell your parents not to take plastics. When they go to the market, when they want to buy fish or when they want to buy meat, they should take their own plastic from their homes. Kadang Malaysia only buy maybe one plastic maybe. Penerkam dapat plastik, sawan sayang, sasak yang itu plastik, next day dari job yang ramai itu baju. Omni berpan doai plastik, omni menteri, plastic because if you take the plastics every time you go to the market, then the plastics will multiply, and it will be very, very difficult to dispose those plastics. Or even when we burn the plastics, the toxic gas will come out and will pollute the environment. So you cannot burn the plastics, and there is no way to dispose the plastics. There is no way to destroy the plastics. So the best thing is that to stop using plastic and reuse the plastics that is already available in your homes. So with these keywords, I play the organizers, the program, the Bhagidari system, the system, your e-learning talents from the had it not been for your hard work, we would not have witnessed such exemplary, such outstanding performance of the students today. So thank you once again. I wish you all the best.
There was a boy named John. He was a charming boy who loved two things more than anything in the world. That is, one, his pup Neo, and second is candies. In fact, he loves them so much that they accompany him everywhere he goes. One in his pockets and the other at his feet. But there was just one problem. Each time he would eat a candy or a chocolate, he does not bother to look for a dustbin to throw the wrapper into. Instead, what does he do? He just throws the wrapper on the ground, which is definitely not a good habit. Each time he would eat a candy, he would just unwrap and chomp, 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 and there goes the wrapper on the ground. One evening, his pup, Neo, he accidentally ate a wrapper that John threw, and it got stuck in his throat. Luckily, John, he saw this and he immediately called for his father. Dad, help, he's choking, help, help. And then his father, he came and they both rushed Neo to the vet. Luckily, the doctor managed to get the wrapper out of Neo's throat. Neo, he was saved. After this, John, he learned his lesson that what happened to Neo could easily happen to any dog or any other animal. He promised to be more careful in the future and never to litter again. The end. So, the moral of the story is that we should never litter because it will harm animals and our environment as a whole. Thank you.
About kindness and help. Lani Shapang Gaji Spoon but Gajiyarak Kajong to Brio. Let's see if you happy birthday like that but story. Did or pi happen to one and the two young story. But the story don't have a way to pour that on arm with Brio. But long but Brio Idon Kajong Katalan. There are two people that have different talents. Piu way long ba way Brio ba kambun Katalan. Nang ta way ba the si usubian Umda doang ke kata-kata